Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with your first Tesla Tunity of 2020. And today we're going to take a look at a brand new feature from Tesla, and that is the Save Clip on Honk feature related to Teslacam. So if the word Teslacam or Sentry Mode means nothing to you, take a look at this video first. I've got it up here just above me. You want to come back to this one later. First, learn how to set up your Teslacam. Really important, really inexpensive. Get it done. I also have all the details down below in the description for my current setup. Really affordable and some bonuses to make it even better. But go ahead and check that out first, then come back here. But from here forward, let's go ahead and test out the brand new feature, and I'll walk you through it. We'll see how well it works, and I'll give you my takes on it. So come along with me and let's check it out. Let's go ahead and turn on the new feature. Tap on the car to go into your settings, tap on safety and security, and you'll see it under dashcam, save clips on Honk. Or of course, we could always use the brand new voice commands. Take me to safety and security settings. Once we're there, let's go ahead and turn on the option. All right, so let's take the car for a spin now that we've got that option turned on. In your main view, of course, is a GoPro showing us driving down the road, showing what I'm doing inside the car and recording sound as well. And in the bottom right, you'll see the Teslacam footage. This is the exact footage that is saved when we press the horn coming up here in just a second. And of course, we will let it run up until the end. As you can see, we've added a counter just to count exactly the number of seconds. And it looks like 5 seconds are saved. You can see in the car, the save icon is triggered roughly at the same exact time that the footage stops recording. And now just to be sure, we're going to go ahead and run a second test. Same exact setup. We're going to round a corner. Makes it easy to tell what's happened after we round the corner. And we will honk the horn, and let's see how long it takes this time. All right, so we'll let the timer run again. And again, it looks like it is exactly 5 seconds of video saved. All right, so there you have it. That's the brand new Save Clip on Honk feature from Tesla in my Model 3. So final impression, what do I think? I'm really happy that they thought through adding a delay after the honk, but as you can see, the delay is just about 5 seconds. I'm not sure if that's always going to be enough. My recommendation to Tesla, let's up that to 10 or 15 seconds. I think that'll give you everything you need after your honk to capture everything that might have happened or continues to happen after the honk. But otherwise, I'm really happy with it, and I am leaving this feature on going forward. So that's all I have for you. We'll catch you on the next one, everyone. Bye.